as a leader of my company, I think one of the greatest strengths that I see in the leaders in our company who are women is that they all lead with a heart. And I think that's very important nowadays that we need to be very relational in terms of business and not just transactional. This is what I always tell my leaders na iba yung panahon noon sa panahon ngayon. Before, we can be transactional. But nowadays, with the younger workforce, hindi nagagana yung palagi lang tayong transactional. You need to lead with the heart. You need to be relational. You need to listen to them. And for the challenges naman, I think one thing that I always experience is that since we live in a digital age right now, and social media is very huge, there is this demand for founders to appear on social media. And social media is very powerful. Trust me, I've been in the industry for 8 years and it has opened a lot of opportunities. But at the same time, the pressure is also intense, especially when you are a brand founder, especially when you are leading people. So it creates that pressure, and sometimes that pressure can create a toll on your mental health. So I think that's one of the challenges of brand founders as well.